Hi, this is JB LENNUX and welcome back to my channel. And we're here for the grand tasting. The spaghetti squash. So here, let me get a nice good bite. It's just like spaghetti. And this was served with side salad and with some rye bread on the side. Wow. Delicious. Like the video if you guys have tried it before. Like the video if you're going to try it. Leave some comments, some feedback. Let me know if you actually will try it. Look at it. Looks like actual spaghetti. Very healthy. It's just minus all the carbs. Well, here, there's a little bit of carbs in here because I got a little bit of bread. But, oh my gosh, delicious. Spaghetti squash, people. Thank you for watching.